independent in our home. You are getting your food on time. You are getting your food, your favorite food. Your parents take you to trip. So aren't you independent? Ask to those who have faced the situations. Ask from your grandfather who have really faced that situation. Was they independent? No. I think that we should live our life very freely. We don't care about anything. Care then if you do something wrong. Don't care about that I have taken loan, I have taken this or this. I have got a responsibility. Don't think. If you have to take the tension when you have done something wrong in your life. And my advice from you is that don't worry it is anything. Don't take any tension because you know that you have not done any wrong work and you are free from yourself. And if you think that I am depressed, I am tension, I have burden on my shoulders, so only I have one advice that you have to do meditation. That will cure you from inside because health is when you have listened. Because if we are independent from our body, so we are independent for our country. And I think that independence is not making nonsense. That we are independent, we can do anything. We do an harassment with girls, harassment with anyone. We are doing anything. We are creating nonsense. We are spoiling the things. This is not the independence. And